If you're tired of scrubbing at tough spots on your clothes and still seeing the stain there, you're not alone. Most stain removers either don't do much or damage the fabric. That's why finding a stain remover that actually works is a must-have. So in this video, I'm going through the 8 best stain removers for clothes that you'll love. These stain removers don't just remove stains, they're gentle on fabric, quick to act, and perfect for anything from wine spills to grass stains to grease. Whether you need a powerful solution for tough messes or a mild remover for regular use, I'll have something for everyone. You'll find links to the best prices for all the stain removers for clothes mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these stain removers for clothes aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 8 is the Clorox 2 Stain Remover and Color Brightener. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. If you spill coffee, sauce, or other liquids on your clothes, this stain remover can handle these stains without hurting the color of your clothes. It's safe for all kinds of washable fabrics and works in both standard and high-efficiency washers. This stain remover brightens colors twice as much as detergent alone, so your shirts, towels, and even your kids' favorite t-shirts can stay fresh longer. You can also pre-treat stains or just add it to your regular wash. Both work fine. It removes up to 50% more stains than detergent by itself when you pre-treat. So even tougher spots like dried-on coffee or food don't stand a chance. Overall, if you want a simple, cost-effective way to fight stains and keep your colors bright, Clorox 2 is a solid choice. Number 7 is the Tide to Go. This is the best for ink stains on our list. This stain remover is made for those moments when you spill something on your clothes and you need to fix it right away. Tide to Go is a small stain remover pen you can carry anywhere. It's simple. You press the tip on the stain, the cleaning liquid comes out, and the little microfiber pad helps lift the stain as you rub. You don't need water or washing right away. It works best on fresh stains, especially food and drink. And because the cleaning solution breaks stains down fast, it's great for quick fixes when you're at work, traveling, or about to walk into a meeting. It's mainly for small messes, not big washed-in stains, and it works on most fabrics as long as they're not delicate. Basically, it stops the stain from setting, so your clothes don't get ruined before you even make it home. Overall, if you need something small and fast that can save your clothes from fresh ink stains or any sudden spill, this is the best on-the-go pick. Number 6 is the Shout Advanced with Scrubber Brush. This is the best for set stains on our list. It's an 8.7-ounce gel, and it's really thick, so it stays right on top of the stain instead of running everywhere. It has a scrubber brush, which is why it works so well. You squeeze the gel out, use the brush to work it into the fabric, and the enzymes start breaking down deep layers of old stains. I like that it's strong on stains, but still gentle on clothes. You can use it on whites or colors, and it works in any washing machine, even HE washers, and you don't have to rush either. Once you rub it in, you can wash right away, or you can wait up to a week. The gel keeps working until wash day. It comes in a small bottle, so it's easy to keep in your laundry area, and it feels like one of those tools you grab when nothing else seems to work. Overall, if you need something that can break through old, set-in stains without damaging your clothes, this is the top choice. Number 5 is the OxiClean Stain Remover Powder. This is the best for oil and grease stains on our list. If you often deal with stubborn kitchen stains like cooking oil on a shirt or greasy fingerprints on fabric, you know how hard they can be. This is the 3-pound container, and it has over 100 different uses. It's dye-free and perfume-free, which is nice if you want something simple and gentle. And even though it's gentle, it hits hard stains like oil, grease, dirt, and old set-in marks on pretty much anything you toss in the wash. You can use it as a laundry booster, or you can turn it into a cleaning mix for the kitchen, bathroom, floors, furniture, or even soft surfaces like carpet. So it's not just a laundry thing, it's more like a whole house cleaner. It's also color safe and chlorine free, which means it won't ruin your fabrics while it works. And it's safe for septic systems too. Check out what Elizabeth wrote. 10 out of 10 recommend if you have kids. Between poopy blowouts from the baby and my messy toddler's stains, none of my kids' clothes would be usable if not for this. My kids have sensitive skin, so I love this particular OxiClean because it doesn't leave any residual scent or irritate their skin. Works so well. I recommend it to all my friends who are starting to have kids. Overall, if you need a powder that tackles oil and grease but is still safe for your whole home, this one is the best choice. And if you want to know the latest prices for the stain removers for clothes discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Shout Advanced Grease Busting Foam. This is the best for oil and grease stains on our list. This stain remover quickly gets rid of oil and grease from your clothes. It's made specifically for oil and grease stains and goes straight to the problem without leaving any mark. It comes in an 18-ounce can, and when you spray it, the foam sticks to the fabric instead of running off. The formula has 3 strong cleaning ingredients and about 50 times more concentrated than regular in-wash stuff when you use it directly on the fabric. Just shake it, spray it, let it sit for a few minutes, and then toss the item into the wash. It works on motor oil, bike grease, cooking oil, butter, anything that leaves that dark, slippery mark. And even though it's strong, it's still safe for most machine washable clothes, both whites and colors. It also works in any washer, whether it's HE or standard, and in any water temperature. Overall, the Shout Advanced Grease Busting Foam is great for stains that regular detergent can't handle and works on all fabrics without being harsh. Number 3 is the Wine Away. This is the best for wine stains on our list. If you've ever knocked over a glass of red wine, this stain remover feels like a lifesaver. This one is special because of how strong it is without using bleach or harsh chemicals. The formula works on both fresh and dried stains, and it's not just for wine. It can help with coffee, ink, blood, fruit punch, sauces, and even little pet accidents. So it's that grab and spray bottle you keep around for any surprise mess. Plus, it's gentle enough to use on clothes, carpets, and couches, and has a soft citrus smell instead of a heavy chemical scent. It's also safe around kids and pets, which matters a lot when you're spraying stuff around your home. Overall, if you want a quick, easy, and dependable solution for wine stains and other fabric messes, Wine Away is the best choice. Number 2 is the Lively Probiotic Laundry Stain Remover. This is the best value for money option on our list. If you like getting the most out of what you buy, this one makes a lot of sense. It comes in a pack of 2 and feels like you're saving before you even use it. What makes it different is the probiotic formula, which has tiny cleaners that keep working even after you wash. They break down hidden residue, so your clothes don't just look clean, they feel softer and fresher over time. And it does all this without strong smells or harsh chemicals, which is great if you're sensitive to scents. It handles everyday stains like coffee, pasta sauce, grass, and dirt, and stays gentle on your skin and on your clothes. The formula is pH neutral and safe for all color-fast fabrics, whether it's a simple cotton shirt or a canvas bag. It's also family and pet friendly, so you don't have to worry about using it around kids or animals as long as you follow directions. Overall, this is the best value for money option because you get 2 bottles, long-lasting cleaning power, and a gentle formula that works on tons of stains without costing much. Number 1 is the Carbona Laundry Stain Scrubber. This is the best overall stain remover on our list. This stain remover uses natural bioenzymes, which break down tough stains instead of just covering them up. It has a brush top that makes it easy. You just squeeze, scrub, and let it sit. It works on almost all types of stains: oil, grease, blood, milk, ketchup, fruit, veggies, and even baby food. Plus, it's also safe on most washable fabrics: cotton, wool, nylon, polyester, and rayon. However, it's not recommended to use it on silk, acetate, carpets, or upholstery. It's tested to be gentle on your hands, which is great because some stain removers feel like they're peeling your skin off. Using it is simple. Just spot test, apply the scrubber, work it in with a brush, and wait about 10 minutes. Then, wash your clothes like normal using the warmest water your tag allows. Here's what Mary wrote. My husband badly injured his hand, so there were lots of blood stains on his clothes, which sat in a hospital bag for 3 weeks because I honestly didn't think they were salvageable. Finally, I wet the spots, quite a few, and applied the Carbona to them. I put the clothes in the washer and let them sit for about 30 minutes, then laundered them on a cold setting, using a longer cycle. Every trace of blood was gone. I'm a customer for life. Overall, this is the best overall stain remover because it works on almost every common stain. It's easy to use, safe on clothes, and actually gets the job done without making things complicated. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect stain remover for clothes. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each stain remover for clothes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.